Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO C55 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So this operation should help if you've got any kind of problems with your camera. So for example, it freezes, for example, or you cannot really take a photo, etc. It is probably because of the customization of the settings. So we can try to restart it. Let's open the camera and let me quickly turn on the grid lines because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. Alright, I don't think it does not really matter, maybe this one. As you can see, we've got the green lines applied, and after resetting the settings, they should disappear. So all we have to do to do that is to unroll the options. So just swipe from the bottom to the center quickly, and then we have to enter the settings, and oh, they are here. Okay, so in the right upper corner of this pop-out window, we've got the settings, so let's enter. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Restore Default Settings and confirm it with OK. The settings flashed a little bit, so now let's go back. And here we've got the very first evidence that the reset option worked because we also reset the device's location access. So just tap on whatever option you want to. And here we've got the second evidence because the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just reset the settings. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.